Hello, following on from my first video about how to use negative keywords, in this part 2 I'm going to share with you some more strategies as to how to use negative keywords to improve the performance of your Google AdWords campaigns. Hello, thanks for joining in. My name is Uzair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use negative keywords for other campaigns like the Google Display Network and for YouTube. So let's move on to our notepad. So in the part 1 I went through how you need to put in singular as well as plural keywords, how I research my negative keywords before I start any campaign on keyword.io, how to create a negative keyword list, the types of match types you can use for your negatives as exact, phrase or broad, where to find your negative keywords in your search query report, and you should use negative keywords for both your search and display campaigns if you are running any campaigns for the GDN, and you ought to audit your negatives regularly. So let me share with you some more tips as to how you can use negative keywords to improve the performance of your AdWords campaigns. So for GDN, whether you are running an image ad campaign or text ad campaign, when you are using negative keywords on GDN, you just need to worry about using them as broad match, because GDN is a different network, so it's not the same as the search network, so you don't need to worry about using them as exact or phrase match, so only broad match. If you are running YouTube video ads or an image ad which you are targeting on YouTube, then you can use obviously keywords and put negative keywords on those words which aren't performing very well for you. Or you can also exclude placements. So obviously placements are not negative keywords as such, but you can go to your placements tab and then exclude those placements, those videos or channels which aren't performing. So that's another way to cut out wastage, especially on YouTube. The last thing which you need to keep into mind about using negative keywords is more and more searches are being made by voice rather than being typed. So when we talk into our smartphone or any device, we tend to use long tail keywords. So Google will only look at the first 10 words and ignore the rest of them. So if your negative keyword comes after the 10th word, then your ad may potentially show through. So for example, if your word is discount and somebody puts in, I want to buy a smartphone with a phone cover at a discount, as discount is after the 10th word on that phrase, your ad will show through. Whereas if somebody puts in or types in or says into the phone, buy smartphone with a discount, your ad won't show through. So that is something which you need to keep into mind, because more and more people are using a voice search rather than typing the key phrase in the computer or tablet. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or problems about AdWords and you would like me to create a video like this one for you, then put it in the comment box below and I will do my best to create one for you. I wish you all the best and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.